Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am bringing to you a fun little crafty project for your planner. And this is some adorable artwork, and it's actually a TV schedule for our Hallmark Christmas movies of 2019. So the holiday season is here. The Christmas movies are starting. These are all the original ones for 2019. You know, it's your guilty pleasure, right, to watch these Hallmark movies. Who doesn't love a good Hallmark Christmas movie? So I'm going to show you how I have printed these. I'm going to cut them, put them in my planner. It is a 4-page schedule. This was done by, I don't know if I mentioned, Miss Victoria Thatcher. She is adorable. I just love her. If you watch my channel, you know that I've highlighted her so many times with planner stickers and a lot of her different items. So check her out. I'll have links below. I have printed this schedule. I have also printed out these gorgeous, adorable little planner stickers that she has also provided us. There'll be a link for these below. These are the actual movies you can put on each day, and you follow the schedule to figure out which days to put them on, and you'll never miss a Hallmark movie. Alright guys, if you want to see how all of this comes together, then stick around. We're going to have some fun. Okay, so as mentioned, I have my Hallmark Christmas movie schedule. It is 4 pages. I just did double-sided. I have printed mine on 32-pound paper because I love that kind of paper on my planner. I'll put a link for that below if you're interested. And I have my planner stickers. All of this is from Miss Victoria Thatcher. She is a very prolific designer of all things fun planner. You can find her, again, in the links below, but please check her out. She is just adorable and provides us with so many free goodies. So check these out, download them, and if you'd like, cut along with me, and let's decorate our planners for our Hallmark movie schedule. So I have my Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer here. This is the brand new version. If you're interested, check this out too. You can find it in my store. I do sell Stampin' Up! Items. This is brand spanking new. It'll be available November 1st, and it is amazing. So check that out. But here, I'm just going to cut this down, and conveniently, this measures the same exact size as a greeting card. So it's 4 1/4 wide by 5 1/2 tall, as how it came out on my printer. Now, depending on your printer settings, it can come out different. You can do full page, you can do half sheet, you can adjust it however you want. This is how I printed mine. It just so happens it was the exact dimensions of a greeting card, but I think I printed mine at actual size. But check your printer settings and do it however you want to do it. This is how I'm going to do it, and let's see if I can get this straight. No guarantees, guys. Don't laugh when I cut everything off on accident. I'm really bad at measuring. So I'm thinking I'm going to do it a little bit wider to have a border. That'll give me some safety. So maybe about a 1/2 inch. I'm using a classic Happy Planner, by the way, so I've got plenty of room for that. I'm not worried about that. Maybe let's compare it to an actual page. That way I'll have some kind of a reference. So as a reference, here is my classic Happy Planner. Here is the mini planner size. So at this dimension, I could easily fit this into a mini size Happy Planner, right? You see how small that is? But I'm going to put mine inside of my classic, so I've got plenty of room, but what I'm thinking about is where these rings are going to land over here. So if I put it there, it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings that it'll probably cover. So that's fine. I like that. So let's go ahead and cut. I'm going to start off with about a 1/2 inch border. And it's not going to be perfect because I can't see through the paper, but let's guess right about here. Well, let's go big. and then we can always cut smaller. Once you get the first side cut, then you can cut the others. I'm going to go start it at the top. So I'm going to use my top for reference. Which way do I go? Oh, this way. Actually, my bottom. So if I go there, plus a ½ inch, let's say right about there. You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm totally a perfectionist, so I make things way harder than they need to be, but you do you. Let's see, we'll go. Yeah, that's pretty close. So let's just keep going on this track. So if we want it to be here, let's go about there. This side a little bit bigger because it'll be on the binded side. No biggie. Do it however you want. It has no impact on anything other than your personal preference. So, and my hands are super dry, so I can't even move paper right now. Isn't that crazy? Winter weather is here. I like that. Now let's level up the top and the bottom a little bit. Right about there, maybe? Again, it's all just personal preference. Just for me. And here's the tricky part. Let's see if we can line this up. So I'm going to attempt to see through this. See if I can line these up pretty good. How about there? Ooh, close. Oops. Oh, that's perfect because I cut both of them a little bit, so now I know it's right on there. Hold it up to the light. See if I can see through it. It's tough because this paper is so thick, of course, to see through it, but that's fine. Say right about here. This paper cutter glides so smooth. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, did I get that crooked? Nope. We're still good. And there it is. How cute! Look how adorable, guys. My little Christmas Hallmark movie schedule. Alright, so that's done. Now just bring out my paper punch. This is the Happy Planner Mombi Create 365 classic size paper punch. Max 3 sheets is what they recommend. I've only got 2 here, so no problem. Now I'm just going to try and line this up in the middle somehow. And it looks like right about there. If you can see that. And punch. Woohoo! Look how cute! I love it. So I'm just going to slip this right into the beginning of my planner, or the of this section. which this is currently the week of Halloween, so this is my planner layout for Halloween. And maybe I'll just put it right here, because our first movie was just like 2 days ago, October 26th. The next one is November 2nd. So if you haven't printed this yet, you've still got plenty of time. Get these printed out, get your planner stickers out, and get it ready, because you've only missed one movie and maybe you already saw it. So I'm just going to stick mine right in my planner. Ta-da! Now if I want to see the schedule, I've got it, and I will go through, and as I create each week's layout, I will add the corresponding movie on the particular date with the particular time, and I am never going to miss a Hallmark movie this season, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the links below. I know you will love it. It's just adorable. Thank you, Victoria, for giving us all these great little items for our planners. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye. See you soon.